I'm real excited about the things that we do in our department. We have 5 different majors for people that are interested in exercise and sport. The athletic training major is a major that's real popular for those students interested in the sports medicine aspect of sport. They work with the athletes, they work in clinical settings and get a lot of hands-on experience. The program's accredited nationally, and so the students are qualified to sit for the national certification exam by the time they finish their program. We have an exercise science major, and that major is kind of focusing on the science of exercise, and that's become a real popular major for us. We have students there that will go out, and after they finish their degree, they'll end up working in health club settings, they'll work in clinical settings, they'll work in community settings, they'll work in corporations and businesses that have identified the need to have healthy employees. And we have a fitness management major, which is similar to the exercise science, except that those students actually have a little more focus on the business aspect, and so are going to be well prepared if they're going to go out into the the health club setting and try to run a business like that, or in the work site health promotion settings as well. We have the standard physical education major for those that want to teach, those programs are endorsed by the National Council for Accreditation of Teacher Education. So we have a physical education major. Our newest major is the sport management major, and that's for students that are interested in sport, don't necessarily want to teach, don't necessarily want to emphasize the science, but really have a passion for trying to work in the sport world, and that's an interdepartmental major. So we do that in conjunction with the business department and the journalism department and communications department. And the things that are really exciting about all of our majors, we really focus on the hands-on aspect. So there's theory, and then there's a lot of practicum kinds of applications in not only in our classes with projects that we do, but there's also internships of some kind required. You know, in physical education, if they're going to teach, they're going to student teach and have that opportunity before they get out into the real world. Well, we do the same kinds of things in all of our other majors. Athletic trainers spend time working with the athletes, they spend time in clinical settings around town, get a lot of hands-on experience, and are ready to go when it's time to get out and apply that in the working world. Our exercise science kids will do on-campus projects where we're working as personal trainers for the faculty. We have them doing fitness testing on other friends and colleagues and peers around campus, not necessarily in the classes. I always have those students go out and spend some time working, doing service learning opportunities with senior centers in town, so they get a chance to work with an elderly population. Recently we had a student who ended up doing an internship at the Olympic Training Center. He's going to be working at the Olympics in London in 2012. So Sioux Falls is a great community for us to be in. Augie's a great place. It's a small place. We get to know each other, but within a larger community where there's a lot of opportunities to do and practice the things that we do. So we're real excited about the things that we can do in our HPER department and all the majors that we've got and all the opportunities that we've got for students that are interested in that field of exercise and sport.